If you live in Whitehall, Ohio and you're thinking about downsizing, or if you have a house in Whitehall, Ohio and you're downsizing or wanting to sell your Whitehall house at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we have been working with home sellers and residents in Whitehall, and we make everything very, very easy, just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of other people. We got all the reviews and testimonials. The reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it easy and we're going to keep it fair. So if you're just looking to downsize, we understand wholeheartedly that you're not looking to give the house away. This is not a fire sale. You're not desperate, and we're not going to approach this that way. We want to be very fair with you, and we can make you an offer on the property in its as-is condition. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything or haul anything away. We will buy the house in its true as-is condition, and then we're going to close on the house on the date of your choice. So the ball's in your court, you have certainty, you have clarity, and this isn't like a traditional type of buyer. With a traditional buyer who's working with a real estate agent, first off, if they have a real estate agent, you got to pay commissions and fees. There's no commissions or fees when you work with us here at Sell House Columbus. And then also a traditional buyer, oftentimes they're working with a bank or some type of lender that's giving them the money to purchase your Whitehall house. Well, now you're a little bit at mercy of the bank in their process, in their approval. They got to send an appraiser through. They got to send a professional inspector through, and now they might be nitpicking your house, and it could get complicated when working with a traditional buyer. And a lot of people love us because we're going to keep it easy. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition. We're going to treat you fair, and we're going to close on the date of your choice. There's no bank approvals needed or anything like that. So when you give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, you'll fill out a very basic form, and then we'll get on the phone. And when we speak, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about what timeline that you're currently working with, so we can accommodate those needs. There's never going to be any added pressure, fake urgency, sales gimmicks and tactics and scripts and anything like that. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because we literally are neighbors. I live personally very close to Whitehall, Ohio, and we've worked with a lot of people in Whitehall. We understand your situation very well. We're going to help you from start to finish. If you even need help identifying your new place, maybe something, a condo or something with less maintenance, let's do it. We're going to keep it simple and easy for you, just like we've done with many, many people. So our number, once again, 614-300-5151, or you could visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.